So over here you can see that I am inside of Planner in Microsoft Teams right here. To access the Planner, you can click on the three dot button and then go around over here and choose Planner from over here. So I already did that, so I see the the Planner tab right here. So you get the same details as the Planner, but it is a more simpler version. So over here as well, you can go ahead and work around with the cards and manage it out. As you can see, you can access out the schedule view. You can even go ahead and access out the charts right here. And as with working around with regular Planner, you can go ahead and then work around with grid over here as well. So far as you can see, you can go around over here and access out my plans as well. You can go ahead and access out task. You can go ahead and then mark it as done as well, and even go ahead and click on it to open up the card right here just like this and work around with the Planner as needed. And that is how you can go ahead and manage it out. And now let's say, for example, if you want to create a task just like with the regular Planner, you can go ahead and add in a task around over here. So let's just go around onto a board. Let's say, for example, you can simply click on add a task, and then it's added in over here. And you can go around over here and add labels to it and make changes as with the main Planner, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.